What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today we'll do another update video on the Bissell powerforce helix turbo pet. Now as you can see, this thing got used once again this weekend because you see how much better this thing is, which it's not honestly, you see how much vacuum cleaners get used almost like quite a bit because here's the thing though, Zachy. This thing right here is these guys get used no matter what. And you can see how much waste better this thing like just definitely looks like and you see this thing's gonna get used and used almost like quite a bit, you see. This is a model 3232, it's released in 2024, which means as you can see they came out, you see, because you know how it's better this thing exactly, which it's obviously looks pretty nice my opinion, but I do kinda like this machine a lot because you see how much it's better this thing exactly, which it's not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much it's better this thing exactly is gonna get used almost like quite a bit because well, you know how much better this thing is like it's gonna get used almost like quite a bit, but you see how much it's better this thing is it's not that bad in my opinion. But you know how much respect this thing is gonna get used almost like quite a bit because it will get used again on the weekend, but if most of the time the machine doesn't get used on almost like quite a bit because you see how much respect this thing is. Most of the time this thing will get used sometimes, but most of the time it doesn't. You see, because you know how much better this thing is exactly, which is definitely looks on pretty nice in my opinion. And you know how much respect this thing is gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you see how much respect this thing exactly. This thing exactly, which it's definitely how much I've expected this thing exactly, which I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks very nice in my opinion. So this thing will get used again and on the weekend, and this definitely looks very nice on a good machine.